Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to delete all cookies in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the More icon located at the top right corner and click on it. Then, select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. Under this section, you'll find third-party cookies. If you're part of the Tracking Protection test group, select Tracking Protection instead. Step 4. Next, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Then, select Delete All Data. Step 5. To confirm the deletion, simply click on Delete. By following these steps, you have successfully deleted all cookies in Chrome on your PC. Remember, clearing cookies can help protect your privacy and improve your browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy browsing and take care.